In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to electronically sign a document using DocuSign. If you've received a DocuSign request, the first place you need to check is your email inbox. You'll find the request sitting right there, waiting for your attention. Go ahead and open the email and look for the link or button that says Continue. Clicking on this will take you seamlessly to the DocuSign website. Now you'll find yourself on the DocuSign platform, and this is where the magic happens. If you're presented with a document or form, you'll be able to fill it out right there. Alternatively, if you already have a DocuSign account, you may also be prompted to log in. It's straightforward to log in. Just use your usual credentials. Once you're in the platform, head over to the Agreements tab. This tab is your treasure trove for all signature requests that have been sent specifically to you. It's all organized and easy to navigate, ensuring you won't miss any documents awaiting your signature. When you find the document you need to sign, it'll be as simple as clicking Sign. This button is your gateway to completing this electronic signature process. If there are any fields that require filling out, be sure to complete those as well. DocuSign often guides you through the document, highlighting fields in need of attention, so you won't miss a thing. Once you've filled out and signed the document, there's a final step, clicking Finish in the top right corner of the screen. This confirms your signature and officially completes your role in the signing process. You've done it. Everything is now wrapped up, neat and tidy. Remember, completing this process electronically saves time, reduces paperwork, and increases efficiency. Electronic signatures with DocuSign are legally binding in most scenarios, and the platform maintains the security of your documents. So there you have it, an easy, efficient way to sign documents electronically with DocuSign. Next time you receive a request, you'll know exactly what to do. Did anything in particular catch your eye during this process, or do you have any tips you'd like to share with others? Please feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for following along, and happy signing.